Hey guys, Arseny here. And today we're going to be reviewing the Aukey KM-G3 RGB mechanical keyboard. It's an Aukey keyboard with generic blue switches with about 50 grams actuation force, rated for 50 million clicks. It's surprising because that's about the same rating as Cherry Max has. I cannot prove it or disprove it, but apparently they're good. So it comes with about 1.5 meter cord, which would translate to 5 feet, I guess, and the interface is USB. It's compatible with Windows Vista 7, 8, 8.1, 10, and macOS. It weighs in at about 850 grams, and it's constructed fairly good. So, for the sound test, let's listen in a bit on how these blue switches sound. There's a type test. And this is a gaming test. Now, going on to the next part, which would be like the build quality and how it looks. The build quality, in my opinion, is superb. It's really strong. I can try to flex it, but it does not flex at all. It has brushed aluminum top, and on the bottom it's all black with rubber pads here and flip out feet with rubber pads on the bottom for better grip. As for the top, the keycaps have a blocky font which is very readable, and it's always illuminated. Even the secondary signs like the exclamation mark and something is well visible because it's all on the top of the keycap instead of being on the bottom of it. As for the brushed aluminum, for me, it has not picked up any fingerprints. I've tried smudging it with my fingers over and over again. I'm yet to see any fingerprints, which is a big plus in my book. And when it comes to the illumination, because the switches are clear and the light spills out on the aluminum, and it makes it look even better because it reflects from the aluminum back to you. It gets you a nicer overall light spill. And now, I think the thing that you all want to see is what's the lighting like. It does not come with software, it's all from a keyboard controllable, and what you need to do is press the FN key, and there's an M1 button for switching modes, the M2 button switches colors, and other buttons for different other controls. They have this classic RGB wave mode, which you see from every RGB keyboard. Then there's just a static color, where you can choose the color with FN M2. You have the breathing static color. You have different game-specific modes for example, FPS, CF, which I don't know what it is. Seems very similar to FPS. COD, a specific one for COD, specific one for League of Legends, and race mode, where it illuminates the specific keys. Each mode also has different colors. Then you have the RGB breathing mode, where it breathes different colors. The reactive and static RGB. No, reactive with static color or RGB color. You have the breathing wave from left to right. It can be static color or on the 6 color rainbow, which is static, like from top to bottom. You have the fill, where it fills the keyboard. and and normal ripple effect, as well as zone reactive typing, which is also static or RGB. It comes in at a price of about $69.99 on Amazon Germany and $62.99 in the US. The links below. As a conclusion, overall, I cannot complain about this keyboard. I like the build quality and the experience of typing on a mechanical keyboard. This is my first experience going to it. It is amazing. I love it, and I don't really want to go back to my rubber keyboard. The cord might be a bit short. My previous cord was about a foot longer or 30 centimeters longer, but I can work around it. So for me, it's a recommendation, especially at that price of under 70 euros or even 60 bucks in the US. So rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.